Alrighty legends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's been a long while. Here is the downer rig. We're going to start with that. I got the trail bike here as well. HT pedals on the Giant, Shimano, all of that. Got a bit of damage from travel, but we'll fix that up sometime. But yeah, look at her. She's a beauty, isn't she? Big change for me on Fox. I ran Fox for a little bit when I was first year junior, but I've been on RockShox for the last 3 or so years. So yeah, pretty decent change for me, but got to test this bike when I was overseas, and yeah, love the Fox stuff, and the bike works absolutely amazing. So yeah, pretty frothed for next year. All right, so I'm gonna set up a time lapse now and get cracking, so enjoy. Alrighty, so that's the downer bike done. Now onto the trail bike. So I don't know about you guys, but this thing is looking a little bit too insane for my liking, to be honest. Look at the bling on that. That is nice. Alright, let's get stuck into it. Alrighty, that is the trail bike built up and ready to ride. Get some shots for you guys now. So my old man just gave me a hand spray painting the scratches from transit. So that's the first layer. We'll do another one on that and it should come up pretty good.